I posljedno super da danas ćemo da radimo. Danas ćemo da igramo, izvinjam se, The Wolf Among Us. Dugo nismo igrali ovu igricu. Izvinite što nije bilo puno videa, to se malo pauziram, znate, sa videima, tako dajmo, resume game. U ranžu izvodi smo, sad ćemo da izaberemo koga ćemo da idemo. Evo sad ćemo, ok, evo krećemo. Dobro, znači sad moramo da izaberemo da idemo kod Lorenzovog apartmena i Tolovog apartmena. Lorenz je, mislim da je možda kao htio da napadne Toada, pa pošto ima nož, mislim da je to on. Tako da, Toada apartman ili Lorenzovom. To mi se više sviđa, bolje idemo kod njega. Izvinite, sam se htio stavim subtitle settings. Izvinjam se, vraćam. Inače, zašto ovdje ne stavljamo subtitles? Zato što ako nešto ne čujete da možete da vidite što oni pričaju. Zato ovdje ne stavim subtitles. Pusti me da igram. Ne znam zašto ne radi ovdje subtitles, da lajde. Dobro. The Woodsman's apartment. Early morning. Čekaj, da me sezate da im trebala cijela jutro dođete ovamo. Mogli su uzmeti taksi, glupani. Da, ja bih to uradio. Eto, ovo njegov auto sam sjebao. Molim? Eto, ja nisam mogao da dobijem tekst da pričam, ne znam stvarno zašto. Ajmo, da vidimo šta je ovo. To je nestalo. Shit, šta sada? Shit. Ja bih to isto rekao, Big B. Nema nikoga! Znam, u veliko smo sranju.
I'm sorry! That's enough, all right? Just shut it!
Tu je! Što se dešava? Što se dešava? Okej, sad ćemo vidimo što se desi. Okej, snao što god da se desi, pripremi se. Šta je sada?
Is that his son?
Toads, I think.
Da, šta? Zaljubljeni su
Be
mene?
nice in there, okay?
Ok, dobro. Idemo! Todo apartment, brzo. Otvaraj, milicija! Šta je ovdje?
Bigby! And Miss White! Surely you didn't come all this way just for my bother?
Zašto si me zvao? U redu je, pustit ću tvog sina da ide sam i
Sorry,
reći.
Bigby. It's embarrassing to have to admit, but I thought there was someone else in Woody's place. There wasn't, though. Not when I checked.
Znači, ja sam za džabe dolazio ovdje.
But it got the best of me.
Ili me lažeš.
you know,
Ne mogu da vidim tek šta da kažem, nemam pojma.
We heard someone crying. Oh, the boy stubbed his toe on the bed frame is all. It stings, you know, but it's nothing to kick up a fuss about. A little tub swim, he'll be right as rain, I'm sure.
Nije u redu. Mislim da nije okej.
Are you alright?
Oh, he's fine, Miss White. Just stung his little toe. Better swimmer than Walker. Just
Ne,
like his
ne,
dad.
čuo sam si, nisi tako, čuo sam te kako
So,
si
I
ga
guess you'll be
opsovao.
taking off now. No need to hang around here anymore. I mean, I'm sorry you came all the way here for
ovdje
nothing.
ću.
Somebody was in your building.
Da.
This is for your own safety, Toad. You called us, remember? Yeah,
Nemam pojma što govorim, nema
appreciate
tekst,
it, mate,
nema
but
tekst za
fine,
spona.
Relax. We'll be out of here in a minute. I just
Šta
want
mi
to check
reci?
things out
U
first.
redu
All
je?
right, all right. I just don't want to waste your time, is all. Have a
Nešto
seat.
skrivaš,
Have a cup of tea,
nešto
whatever you
skrivaš.
like.
Phew. Grown-ups, am I right?
Zašto je
Hey,
tako
you know
senka
what?
njene lice, ne
Flycatcher said you had a
razumijem.
pretty awesome insect collection. I'd really love to see it. Is it in your room?
It has a weevil.
Cool.
Dobro, nemam pojma što je govore. Toad, ja i ti moramo da razgovaramo.
Just mind the upholstery while you're looking for nothing. Yeah, sure thing.
Znači, mi smo ovo cijelo vreme došli. Okej. Mislim da je vreme da budemo back cop. Zašto mi je zvao? Nemam...
I know something's off here, Toad. And I know you know I can't leave until I find out why. So can we please just skip to the end of the page before I have to get mean? I don't know what you want, Bigby. There's nothing
Ti
going
si
on.
me zvao, nešto... Šta je ovo?
There's just nothing to tell. Look around the room and see for yourself. Everything has its explanation, you'll see. Honestly, Toad, I don't know if I will. And I don't know if I've got the...
O, daj, ovo je bila opcija da pretim i da mu ne pretim. Nisam mogao da vidim tekst, okej?
A patience to reverse engineer whatever scheme this is. Big boy's in the other room, Bigby. Come on now.
Ne mogu, mislim da je ovo da budem tiši na desnoj strani. You scared Toad. Čekaj. Ova vrata mogu da otvorim. Talk to Snow. Molim? Šta? Nalazi se kao takav apartment.
Though most people think they are.
Uh-huh. How's it going?
Toad's hiding something, but I don't know what yet. Did the kid say anything?
No, nothing really.
Okay.
He was really upset though earlier.
Nemam pojma šta je.
Something's going on.
Pa nemam pojma, ne mogu da natjeram da otvori svoju bubicu. Da vidimo što je ovdje. Busted lock.
The lock's busted. Eh? The lock. It looks like somebody kicked in the door. Oh, for Christ's sakes, the fucking lock's been busted for weeks, mate. Right, it's just like everything else in this bloody building.
Ne, laže me, znam. Toad, znam da me lažeš. Opet ga mučim.
I should probably get that thing fixed.
Ne, prvo treba meni da pitaš, mislim da je ovo.
You want me out of here? I want out of here. Just come clean. What's going on? Place needs a little brooming, that's all.
Lažeš me, ne, mislim da ti je neko preti. Da, znam da me lažeš. Što je ovdje? Window, open. Da, definitivno.
Some marks here on the windowsill.
Sad, znam da me laže.
No real reason.
Da, sad definitivno
Just last
laže.
night when I'd come out, I was in a downright
Ne, to znam da me lažeš, znam te
I
dobro.
forgot the keys to this place. And I had to climb in through the bloody window. Really?
Da,
Scared
tako.
Junior off to death.
Znaš, nekom mužu je žena umrla, pa ne i bolo da samo kažeš ovo pa da idem.
Shakin' Stevens album yet? If you're gonna say something, out with it.
Nemam pojma, ne pokazuje se tekst.
Separate key under the mat or something? In this neighborhood? Are you off your rocker? If it ain't chained to me billfold, the mangy rats will take it away as soon as they catch a starlit twinkle.
Talk is way out of tone. Ok, znači ne mogu... vidimo. Da, mislim da neko bi ovdje. Mislim da se kao razbesno.
You were in a tizzy. How'd this get smashed? Fucking hell. Damn thing must have fell off a table.
Aha, da tako je, okej, dobro. Nema nikakvog smisla. Ako je to palo sa tog stola, kako je...
Must have knocked it off without noticing.
Nemoguće. Ako je to palo sa stola tek tako, nemoguće. Ventilator bi pao također, zar ne? Šta je ovdje?
Move something? What you mean? There's a clean space in the dust over here. Oh, maybe one of Junior's toys or something? I mean, who knows?
Ne. Nisam naivan, druže moj. Još od one epizode Walking Deada više nikad nisam ja naivan.
Okay, Sheriff, now what?
Nemam pojma.
What kind of toy was it? Lord if I know, Bigby. He has so many worthless baubles.
Prekini. To talk his way out of town. Opet je to uradio. Što je sad pa to ovo? Je to krv? Holy shit.
Could do a better job dusting, or no? So what happened? What happened?
There's fresh blood on the tip. I could smell it from the door.
I was poking the coals and it slipped a bit.
Mislim da neko napao pa si ubio nekog pa si mislio da će da...
Sounds painful.
Da.
Oi, don't you go mother-inning now. The wound didn't sit very long.
To si izvejao to. Mislim da će to isto da kaže. Ta rečenica opet. Ajde. Nije. Što je to ovo? Stain. Ovdje je krv.
I've really been meaning to clean the place.
There's more blood over here.
Aha.
Really?
Jesi to uradio o tom sinu?
Still fresh?
Well, like I told you, I
Holy
plugged me
shit,
hand.
to ako
Ran
jest to je...
around like a tick trying to pick out a rat.
Sociopata.
Must have got some on the furnishments.
Još ovako, sociopata.
Bloody hell, Bigby, what sinister bit have you uncovered this time?
Mislim da je ovo, mislim ovo prva rečenica, ovaj drugi, ovaj prvi
What's the
file.
point of all this, mate? Really?
Yeah, that's what happened.
Yeah, that's all. A little scrape.
All right, Toad. Whatever you say.
Izvijao za to, znao sam. Da imaš šta je ovo?
Oh my God, will you not make a big faff out of this? There's nothing to solve here, Sheriff. I'm telling you everything that happened.
Ne, mislim da si
Why don't
ubio
you
nekog.
believe me?
Ili si isprobio toksina. Ako si ubio,
I mean,
okej.
things happen, you know.
Mislim da će sada ovo treći, mislim da sada
Don't
ovdje
try
na
that little
okrutniji
accident.
način.
I think maybe you're hiding something.
Hiding something.
Maybe. But, to tell you the truth, I don't know yet. But I know you're lying about something.
But I'm not.
And you're just gonna make it worse for yourself the longer you keep up the act.
Tako je.
I'm not bullshitting you. Honest.
We'll see.
Pa imaš previše krvi, tako da... Možda je isprebio svog sina. I ako jeste, ovo je majke ti sociopata.
over here, old boy. I was looking forward to a nice afternoon. Just me and me son, and you've taken up enough of a day with all this
Ne moraš da
sniffing
la-
around at my private belongings. I'm
Ti si
sorry,
me
I
zvao!
can't, really I am. But will you please just bugger off?
Not yet.
Moraš...
Not yet, you say to my face. And you think I'm hiding something from you?
Pa naravno!
For a fair bit of time now.
Imaš puno
Nothing's
krvi, imaš puno krvi, neko ti je razbio, tako da, ili ti je neko napao, ili si izgubio svog sina.
In my own bloody home. It's not seemly.
When I figure out what's going on here, Toad, you can help the process along, you know.
How? How am I going to help the process along?
Nemam pojma.
Right now.
I keep telling you, this is just a misunderstanding. Seriously.
Ne želiš da se kačiš on kada sam ljut.
This is all getting a bit stressful, all right? Please,
Nemam pojma.
just take it easy.
I have my limit for bullshit, Toad. And I think we reached it 10 minutes ago. Now, you're gonna tell me what's going on here, or I'm
Sad
gonna
sam
start...
napet! TJ is afraid of the big bad wolf.
Bigby, is this really necessary?
Nema nikakvog testa! Ovo nije okej. Igrica je zla.
It got away from me a bit.
Dad?
Oh my god.
Take off your hat.
Bigby, you didn't...
He didn't.
On bio si
It
napadnut.
was that butcher, a Tweedle.
Opet on!
You got to strip them down to their johnnies before you can tell which is which. They come bulging in, screaming about something the woodsman had. Or thought he had, I don't know.
Znači, ti si ga napao sa tim štapom kako bi se odbranio.
But he pulled me back in.
What was he looking for?
I don't have a fucking clue, Sheriff. I would have told you. I wanted to, really, I did. But he said if word of this ever got back to him, If he ever thought you knew, or Miss White, he'd come back and kill my boy.
Oh, sada
Even
razumem.
tried to give the bastard a coat.
Ok, sada
Take
razumem.
it.
Whose coat?
The girl.
Dad borrows things from people who live here. Sometimes.
Borrows. I don't steal nothing. Turn around here with a
Ok, dobro, to ti verujem.
merely repossess what's been left behind.
Well, we'll be taking the coat.
Zvuči kao da
She
govori
has
zapravo
next of
istinu.
kin, family, anyone.
All right. Fetch him the fur. Fine bit of dress it is.
Ok, dobro, Toad. Mislim da ti sada verujem. Možda bi trebalo da sljedeći put ovdje ostanemo kako bismo... What?
No, I wouldn't wear it outside.
Ok, mislim da neću ni ja.
Wait.
Šta? Ima nekakav papir. Što to piše?
It's an envelope. Fucking hell, of course there is. For my luck, it's a map to some bloody doubloons.
It's addressed to Prince Lawrence.
Ha?
Do you want to try and give it to
Može
him?
taj
or-
Woodsman radi za njega. Ovo ću da radim.
Doesn't seem right opening another man's mail. Let's try and give it to him.
Okay.
Well, it's been
Didn't
quite a
open the
surprising
letter.
day for all of us, hasn't it?
Nisam mogao da kliknem, nije bio nikakav tekst!
Blood in the place.
It was very nice talking to you, TJ.
Thanks. See ya.
Doviđorno. Zamislite da je Colin lik iza svega ovoga. Ja uopće ne sumnjam. Ovo napravi
I'll be
sam ga da
honest
bude
with you,
Larry
I don't
2.0.
really know how to feel about what happened in there.
Ne, moj opet da mi daješ da radim taj tekst.
Information. He'll be all right.
So, the prince is now?
Lawrence's. Yeah.
Daj, idemo sad na njega.
Our only lead, really.
When you put it that way.
Pa sad ćemo vidimo da ovog Lorenza. Nadam se da je neki lik iz Shreka. Nisam gledao Shrek jako puno. Lorenzov apartment. Early morning.
I don't want to stay here any longer than we have to, so let's just pick an approach and stick to it, okay?
Ok, dobro.
Just humor me.
Jučer čutim, ne želim ništa da kažem, zato što možda mogu da ugrozim...
Let's just keep our focus on questioning Lawrence. Where she was, who she was with, that sort of thing.
Opet je taj glitch tu. Nemam pojma šta je s tim glitchom opet. Pa idemo opet. Opet je taj glitch. Ja ne znam kako da popravim ovaj glitch. Aj, pokušat ću. Molim, back out? O to open. Open sesame. Ha? Šta je? A, kao je ovdje loš miris. Mislim da je pio mnogo alkohola. O, on je mrtav? On je mrtav. Da, to je Lawrence, mrtav je.
Oh my god.
Ne, živ je! Šta da kažem? Fuck!
He can
Nisam...
still make it. I'll go get Sniper.
No. Let me go.
Ha?
What is it that you're telling us? Bigby, water. Kitchen.
Water. Evo vidim. Gdje je kuhinja? Gdje je usrana kuhinja? Ne znam gdje je kuhinja. Kitchen, pa gdje je ta prokleta kitchen? Možda ovdje negdje. Možda je ovdje. Evo ga, tu je. Brzo. Sig, use. Idemo. Ili umrao? A, još uvijek je živ, ja sam mislio kad se da kako on umire. Evo ga uzmi.
If you have something to ask him, you should do it now.
Ne znam.
Is this about Faith?
Faith.
Mrtva je. By the way, druže. Izgleda da je i on mrtav. Pa to je još jedna osoba na listi koja je mrtva i koja je definitivno nije ubila Faith. Ok, Woodsman ili Colin, to su moje dva glavna osumnjičena. Ja glasam za Colina. On nema šanse da on nije
Do
tu.
you still have that letter?
Yes.
Da. Zašto? Što piše?
Should I open it?
Pa ajde! Izgleda da nemamo drugu opciju.
I'm not sure if it's right.
You should.
Da.
It might be something that helps us.
Dobro, to sam uradio kako...
I need to know.
Dobro, ajde s tom, da vidimo šta je to.
What does it say?
I'm sorry. Faith.
Ha?
It's only 2 words, but he died without seeing them. I'm sorry too. We need to figure out what happened here and find whoever did this.
Da. Ja kažem Colin. Da. On. Šta je? Vidimo šta je ovdje. New Book of Fables found. It's Evan Lawrence. Vidimo. Da li je bio napadnut? Pa da jeste bio napadnut. Da li je, ali s kojim oružjem? Mislim da je bio nož. Ne, bio je pištolj. A gun.
Fingerprints?
They'll be on the grip and the trigger.
Imamo pištolj. We have a gun. Šta je ovo? To shotgun... mislim da je to shotgun bullet.
The caliber of the gun on the floor.
Mislim da je ovo metak šotke. Back out. Da ima što je ovdje. Medicinski... ne. To je...
Doesn't really help.
Dobro, ja sam to uradio. Okej, to su meni... To su pilule.
What are they?
Mislim da su to pilule za
Prescription
stres.
sleeping pills.
Sleeping. Ja sam mislio da su to za stres. Ok, šta sada? Pa ne mogu da egzimiram nož. Sada mogu.
The mirror showed me this. Maybe I should have come here first. Sharp. There's blood on the blade.
Pa da.
I just don't
Čekaj, znači ako sam ja otišao ovdje, znači daj to znači da će to da umre? Možda sam uradio dobru opciju. Šta je ovdje? Blood. Šta je tu?
Still a little sticky.
Dobro. Šta je? Što tako... Vrata. Panel. Ovo je krevet. Jako pametno, sviđa mi se to.
Son of a...
Još jedna poruka.
It stuck to the bed a little. My dearest Faith, I never meant to hurt you, and I cannot endure knowing that I have. This was for the best. I'll see you again. Love, your devoted Lawrence.
Što bi to trebalo da znači?
Hopefully they're together now.
About all we can hope for at this point.
Okej. Vidimo što je ovdje. Ovo je slika njih dvoje.
When do you think that was taken?
Before all this,
Što je ovdje? Butthole! Ok, vidimo šta je ovdje. Tu je zaklonjen metak. Imamo i metak. Šta je ovdje?
bullet passed through the chair.
Znači da je...
Yeah.
Možda je se odbrani pa je napad... Pa je onda... Onaj koji ih napao kao bio previše brz za njega. Vidimo šta ovdje imamo. Da imamo ništa. Jok, ne, ništa. Idemo dalje. Brate, koliko stoji brže. Da vidimo koliko će.
Dusty.
Što te radiš?
Once read these in a
A može kao secret passageway da loka. Open closet. Uvijek da to me uplaši!
Stay here.
To me uplaši! Evo po to kućkićenog sina.
Hey!
Vrati se vamo!
Leave me alone!
Šta leave me alone? Ja ovdje milicija drže moj FBI, majku mu! Ima FBI da ti upravili kuću, jel to hoćeš, a? Ajde. Dobre, ja sam mislio da ću da ostavim njega. 3! On je otvorio vrata. Ovdje si negdje, znam. Tu je! Okej. Sad ga imamo. Fuck! Sad moram brzo da budem. Ovdje negdje. Gdje? Gore! Okej, mogu da pratim njega u špontima. Okej, idemo, šta je ovdje? Idemo! Kroz prozor! Suicide, baby! Gdje ti ideš? Pa brzo prati ga! Sad smo ga uhvatili.
Bigby, we're on the same side here. You son of a bitch.
Ti si son of a bitch.
Run after you. Why did you run? What?
Zašto si bežao?
Why did you run? Fuck, man. Because you chased after me. The fuck was I supposed to do? Man's dead.
I know how it looks, but I had nothing to do with that.
Nisam glup.
I'm bringing you in.
What? Why?
Questioning.
Da.
Look,
Nisam će vas
I was just
suditi.
asking him about the girl, that's all. When I mentioned her being dead, he freaked out. I figured someone had told him. How was I supposed to know?
Shit.
Znači...
Fucker shot himself right in front of me. I couldn't stop him, man.
Oh.
You're looking for the woodsman, right?
Da.
I know where he is. My guy says he's holed up at the trip trap. We can go over there right now, the both of us. My employer's looking to ask him a few questions too.
Dobro.
Who's your employer?
I can't tell you that. It's confidential. Sorry. Sure you
Alrighty.
understand.
Nope. Can't say that I do. Come on. You're coming with me.
Pevaj! Pevaj, druže, mora da imaš nešto da znaš. Ajde.
Don't worry.
Pevaj, da imaš devojku.
Still is.
Jer ja volio da imam neki... Imam neke stvari da kažem njoj.
Look, it'd be much easier for you
No,
to...
I'm D. He's dumb.
What?
You almost looked peaceful.
Yep.
Idiot me napao. Ako Colin ne mislio da ovi likovi počnu mene napadnu, jer ne mi se začudio.
Well, the one guy hit you, then the other one started kicking you.
Oh. I ona si pobegla.
Then they jumped into a car and drove off.
Okej, dobra.
Come on, get up. Guess we're out of options.
Dee mentioned the trip trap.
Then that's where we'll go. I'll call a cab.
Dobra. Ok ljudi, mislim da bi to bilo to što tiče klipa na živi, na sljedećem klipu. Ćao!